This is like legitimately one of the coolest things that's ever happened to me. I never win anything.
Well, the goodness of your heart won you this giant TV, so. What's up and welcome to another episode of Gizmo Slip. Today we're gonna be giving away this 65-inch 4K TV. So TCL actually sent this over to me just kind of as a gift, and I thought, hey, you know what? I already have a big TV. You know, there's someone out there that needs a good TV, and I'm gonna try to find someone who is also generous as well. So the goal for today is to actually have my truck be broken down on the side of the road. I'm gonna be standing on the side of the street with a gas can, and the first person to come up and offer support, to offer to help me fill up my gas can and then to save me from my predicament, that is the person that's gonna get this freaking awesome 4K TV from TCL. This is their 4K HDR Dolby Vision wide color voice control with a Roku remote, 65-inch. It's a freaking nice TV, all right? And a big shout out to TCL for sending this over. I'm really glad I'm able to use this in my video. Now, I'll have a link in the description if you want to pick up a TV like this. TCL did not pay me to say that, but I do think they make good quality TVs for the money. Let's go ahead and load this guy in the truck and head on out. I need Darren to haul this thing. This thing is a big TV. Okay, holy crap. I'm trying to film it while I'm doing it by myself. It's very difficult. This is a big freaking TV. I guess we gotta put it in sideways. Turns out it's also raining today, so I'll be standing in the rain with the gas can. We're making progress now. It's not gonna fit, is it? We could probably turn the generator just sideways, and then it would fit. So heavy. Very nice. It's kind of going in. Hey, look at that.
I think it's fine.
Probably okay. Oh God. You want to know something that's actually funny?
Almost out of gas.
Yeah, we're actually like almost out of gas. It's like at the E right there. And it's been that way the last couple times I drove it, so we might seriously run out of gas. We're finally here where we're gonna set up and do this. We're off the side of the road in this big old area where there's a big shoulder, so don't really have to worry about anyone hitting us. I'm gonna stand out there with the gasoline can, and we're gonna start counting how many cars go by before someone stops. Should be pretty interesting. Let me know how many cars you think it's gonna take passing by before someone stops. Up in the top right corner, there's a poll. It'd be really interesting to find out. How many people do you think will pass on both sides of the road before someone stops?
I would say probably closer to like the 15 to 25 then range, I guess. I don't know.
So
well, I'm just gonna say 15 and see how close it goes.
Okay. So I'm gonna say 50. So one thing that'll be really funny is I've got this red gasoline can that I'm gonna fill with gasoline.
Even though you have a diesel.
Even though I have a diesel truck. So these people are gonna go by, they're gonna pick me up, they're gonna take me to the gas station, and I'm gonna put in gas and I hope they don't recognize that I have a diesel truck. It's gonna be really awkward if they confront me. Hopefully they don't look too close at my truck or know trucks very well.
You're in a somewhat rural spot, they're probably gonna know trucks pretty well.
Can you imagine how awkward that would be? So, and then I'm also gonna have to try to somehow record them and get their permission to record them. So I'm gonna tell them that I'm filming this for a vlog, which I am. Technically, this is technically a vlog-ish type video. So not really lying, but they just won't know that this is actually kind of a secret gift prank, I guess. Is that what I'm gonna call these? These might be secret gift pranks. That's like the series of these videos.
Secret gift prank.
Anyway.
Positivity prank.
Anyway, let's go ahead and pop out and see what happens. So before someone actually picks me up, I gotta give a big shout out to our sponsor, Surfshark VPN. So what is Surfshark VPN? Well, a VPN is a virtual private network, and it essentially protects you and enables you to do a lot of cool things online. Like what? Well, many streaming services have different libraries for each country. Using Surfshark lets you pretend you're in a different country, so you can access up to 8 different Netflix libraries. That's pretty freaking insane. Another cool thing you can do is that you can shop for better prices online. Many online vendors are realizing they can price airfares and many other things at better or worse prices if you're in a higher or lower income country. You can spoof these tactics for better prices using Surfshark to shop from low income countries. Another cool thing about Surfshark is that it protects your web browsing experience. Surfshark encrypts all your data, which prevents hackers and criminals from surveillancing your online activity. Surfshark also has a clean web feature that helps protect you from ads and malware, which makes your online experience that much better. Now, Surfshark is available on tons of platforms, and it's very easy to set up and use, and it only costs $1.99 a month. That's just 7 cents per day. That's some freaking incredible value. You can easily make that up by shopping for better prices or getting more out of your online streaming experience. If you're interested in checking out Surfshark, they offer a 30-day no-risk trial, and be sure to use the coupon code GizmoSlip for 83% off in the link in the description down below. Now, without further ado, let's get back to giving away this 4K TV. So I'm not sure if I should put my thumb up in the air or not. I'm like really questioning it. Is this person stopping? Oh, I thought they were slowing down at first. They didn't stop. Do you think I should try putting my thumb in the air with it?
Sure, why not?
I don't know. I think it's illegal to hitchhike here, isn't it?
I have no idea.
I don't know. Already. Yeah, is there any chance that you could give me a lift to grab some gas?
Do you know where a gas station is close?
I think there's one back and to the left.
Okay.
Like about 1.5 miles away or so. I was filming a vlog video, we ran out of gas. Is it cool if I film this experience?
With me in here? Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
man, no worries.
Yeah, I just want to make sure you're cool with that.
Yeah.
Oh man, well thanks so much for stopping, dude.
Sure, yeah, no problem. I've run out of gas a few times myself.
Oh, it
yeah,
sucks.
It's a bummer.
Does this have seat heaters?
I think so. I've never used them before, but I
It
think
feels
does.
warm.
Yeah.
It feels warm on my booty, so I'm assuming.
Yeah, it probably does. Oh, here, let me move this shirt too.
Oh, okay.
The
Thanks,
gym.
Jim.
Yeah.
Sweet, we're here.
Yeah, man.
Do you need some gas? I'll get you some gas.
No, don't even sweat it. Thank you, though.
Okay.
Fill it up.
Just fill that up, yeah. Perfect. Thank you, sir. Much appreciated. I don't think it was filming when I asked you your name, right?
Oh,
What's your
yeah,
name again?
sure. Yeah,
So,
I'm Jake.
You're Jake?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, I'm Brandon.
Yep, nice to meet
We
you,
did this
Brandon.
once, but I
Again.
wasn't recording. So, yeah, so Jake works at a construction company doing painting and minor stuff, which is really cool. He has 2 kids and a girlfriend,
That's right.
and he was just on his way to visit his girlfriend's house when he decided to stop and help us. So thank you so much to Jake for stopping by. This is really fantastic.
My
of him.
pleasure.
So, yeah, big thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
All right, so I've been waiting here for Brandon to get back, and I watched through the footage again. I was exactly on the dot with 15 as my guess for the number of cars.
My buddy was still in the truck.
Oh, okay.
But he's probably gonna come out here. Yeah, come on. So that's my buddy Darren. He's got my other vlogging camera.
Hey, Darren.
What's up? How's it going?
Pretty good, dude.
This is Jake.
Okay.
Thanks
So-
for being so nice and stopping by.
Oh, yeah, no
Yep.
problem.
So this is actually we actually have gas.
Okay.
This is actually like a secret fun prank
Oh. That's
where we're actually looking for the first person to be generous and stop for us.
all right.
And then we're giving away a 4K TV
Are you kidding me?
to the first person. to
No
stop.
way.
Yeah. So,
Oh, wow.
You want to take a look at it real quick? And then
course
we'll
I
drive
do.
over to your house.
Yeah. That's unreal. I'm so excited.
Yep.
Yeah. I'm
Dude,
stopping for everybody now.
Like I've done a couple of these videos, and the whole idea is like pass it on.
Right.
You know, people who are being generous.
I love the message.
Reinforcing it,
Yes,
and
absolutely.
so-
I like your shirt too.
Oh, thanks, dude. Yeah.
So I get to like just have this?
Yeah, we'll just drive over to your place and.
Are you
give it to
serious?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I was given to me by a company, so I didn't have
I can fit it in my van too if you
Does it
guys
fit?
don't want to, or would you prefer
Could
to
you
do
fit
that?
it in the van? I don't.
Oh, yeah.
It's a big TV.
If you can fit it, we can try to put it in.
Yeah, let's do that. I mean,
Yeah, I'm
unless
fine.
you guys
I'll
want
go.
for your video to go
No, I
to
don't
my house.
care.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Woo! Hold on, I'm gonna open up the back.
Yeah, I think it'll fit as long as you go across the top of the seat.
Yeah, this is like legitimately one of the coolest things that's ever happened to me. I never, never win anything.
Well, the goodness of your heart won you this giant TV, so.
That's crazy. It's funny too because my TV broke a while ago.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So you
I
currently
need a
not have a
TV.
You don't have a TV?
No.
They have no TV.
No TV.
This is fantastic.
This
I'm so
is-
glad. I'm glad I'm not giving this TV to someone else that already has a better TV or something.
Oh no. Holy smoke, this thing is a monster.
Yeah, it barely
I
fit in the
can't
back of my
believe
truck.
this. I'm gonna go like this.
Oh man.
Is it gonna fit?
Is it gonna fit?
It's totally gonna fit.
I don't know, man.
Here, now I'm gonna sneak out.
Oh man.
I don't think this is going in.
Okay, hold on.
Maybe if you take
No,
the
it's
headrest off.
going in, you guys.
If you take the headrest off. You gotta move the car.
Oh, there's one.
How about that?
We're in.
We're in.
Look at that.
All right.
Very cool.
Well, guys,
Dude.
thank you.
know,
Yeah,
don't
man.
give up.
Let's do it.
That's all I
Yeah,
have.
yeah, let's do it.
Cheers.
But yeah,
That was fun.
So hopefully your family enjoys the TV.
Oh, my kids will be so excited about that. Yeah, no doubt.
So the
Yeah.
channel's called Gizmo Slip.
Gizmo, that's a Gizmo slip. Okay. All right, guys.
Bye.
Have a great day.
Wow.
Yeah.
One other thing that we were really afraid of
Yeah.
is that if whoever pulled over and picked us up would realize that I was filling up gasoline
Right.
instead of diesel because it's a diesel
Oh, I
truck.
didn't even notice. That's so funny. Man, good thing I don't pay much attention, I guess.
This would have been
perfect.
bad. I was like, oh no, it's not a diesel can.
That's so funny.
Anyway,
All right.
You
All
enjoy
right,
that
guys.
TV?
Thanks again.
All right. Okay. Oh my God, I can't believe how well that went. Yeah, that was nerve-wracking, but it turned out to be freaking incredible. So, I could not think of a more perfect candidate for getting the TV for free. They recently had their TV break. He's got a family. My heart's pounding, and it's finally catching up to me. I'm like, ah! The whole time I'm like, don't realize that I'm getting gasoline instead of diesel.
Because suddenly it turns into like, what's this guy actually about?
How is he scamming me? No, wait, I'm telling you, there's a free TV back in the truck, I promise. Don't kick me out of your car right now.
Nice.
Oh. Dude, yeah, that guy was super nice.
Yeah, he was cool.
The whole point of this video is pass it on. You know, people are generous to you. Look back on those moments of generosity. You know, your parents giving you things, friends giving you things, you know, people helping you out when you're in need, when your car breaks down. Look to pass that on to other people who need help, you know? Big shout out to TCL and a big shout out to Surfshark VPN for sponsoring this episode. Again, links in the description if you want to pick up the TV or if you want to check out Surfshark VPN. It's a freaking fantastic VPN service, one of the top rated ones out there. Don't forget to go check it out and sign up if you're in need of a VPN. That was freaking awesome. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that notification bell. We'll see you guys in the next one. Brandon, out. Watch out.